Wadi Rum. Wadi Rum is also known as the Valley of the Moon, cut into the sandstone and granite rock in southern Jordan, near the border with Saudi Arabia and about 60 meters, 37 meters, to the east of the city of Aqaba with an area of 120 kilometers, 280 square meters. It is the largest wadi, river valley, in Jordan. Several prehistoric civilizations left petroglyphs, rock inscriptions and ruins in Wadi Rum. Today it is a tourist attraction, offering guided tours, hiking and rock climbing. The Wadi Rum protected area has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 2011. Toponym: Wadi Rum or Wadi Ram is believed to get its name from the early name of Iram of the pillar, also called Arabic, a lost city mentioned in the Quran. Geography: the area is centered on the main valley of Wadi Rum. The highest elevation in Jordan is Jabal at dam at 1,840 meters, 6,040 feet high. SRTM data states 1,854 meters, located 30 kilometers south of Wadi Rum village. It was first located by Defaulter Atib, a Zalabia Bedouin from Rum. On a clear day, it is possible to see the Red Sea and the Saudi border from the top. Jabal Ram or Lebel Rum, 1,734 meters, 5,680 feet, above sea level, is the second highest peak in Jordan and the highest peak in the central Rum, 5, sing directly above Rum Valley, opposite Jabal Ishreen, which is possibly 1 meter lower. Khazali Canyon in Wadi Rum is the site of petroglyphs etched into the cave walls depicting humans and antelopes dating back to the Thamudic times. The village of Wadi Rum itself consists of several hundred Bedouin inhabitants with their goat hair tents and concrete houses and also their four-wheel vehicles, one school for boys and one for girls, a few shops, and the headquarters of the Desert Patrol. Wadi Rum is located within the Santon Mountain and Valley region of southern Jordan. The area is characterized by tall, clear vertical mountains of iron-rich, erosion-resistant unsandiperated by flat bowman valleys of alluvial sediments, aeolian sands, and salt pond. The Inish is the thickened formation to the lower Palus Upper Cretaceous Nubian Santon underlying the Dil and Une Sandstone formations, and overlying the Sal Spring Formation. The Salib in turn oversees the eroded Aqaba complex of platonic grants and aquifer forms along the sthologic contact with springs forming on the eastern mountain slopes. Alluvial fans compose most of the alluvial sediments. Riolant systems include Tau, Natridges and sand dunes. Sand dunes include Burkhand, climbing dunes consisting of Nasarani North 450 meters, 1.480 meters long and graded F7B or F7A4. Filming location: the area has been used as a background setting in a number of films. Filmmakers are particularly drawn to it for science fiction films set on the location. Manajan Bild recognized the Jordania's Royal Film Commission with its LIM Award for Outstanding Film Commission in 2017 for its work on Rogue One.